All right, hey, guys. Guys. All right, Allison, let's just get down to it, okay?
Here we go.
Why this guy?
Yeah, if it has anything to do with the whole Renaissance man philosopher rap thing, after 6 years with this guy, we can tell you he makes half that crap up.
Well, I do in fact enjoy the Renaissance philosopher thing. What I mostly enjoy is the incredibly hot sex. Seriously though, Evan is really great in bed. Outstanding, really. I got it, sweetie.
Okay.
Damn. What a stud. Okay, where do I get one of those?
Pretty incredible, right?
Are you kidding? She's on fire. So let's hear it. What makes you so outstanding, man?
Listen, I don't even know. The question is, what are you even doing here?
Yeah, sure. I mean, you should be drilling right now.
Hey, listen, it's not just about the sex, all right? She happens to be a very sweet girl.
Dude, she's a super freak. I mean, there's no reason to play it down. I know tons of Wall Street guys that marry ex-hookers.
Okay, first of all, she's an exotic dancer, not an ex-hooker. Second of all, this might actually be something. You know, we really like each other. So if you don't mind, in the future, I prefer to think of her more as a well-rounded individual and focus a little less on part-time, temporary career choice.
We can do that?
Hey, babe.
Hey, baby, here.
Oh, you can keep it.
Oh, okay. Refills?
Excellent issue.
I look forward to it.
As do I. Every month. Tim Sherman.
Carl
Kettner. Yes, sir. Corporate finance. I'm well aware. I'm a trainee in the firm, sales and trading, actually, just for now. I majored in Corp Fin at Wharton, class of 2000. Go Quakers! And I have every intention of working in your department after I finish my rotation. That is, of course, assuming that you see fit to accept my application. But in the meantime, I'd be eager, more than eager, to pick your brain, if I might, perhaps over a beverage or a meal or whatnot.
Okay, let me tell you something. If Barbie's starting today...
I think it's Bridgette.
Yeah, I will corner her, I will vibe her into submission, and I will explain. I'll say, hey, Barbie, it's one thing to scam your way into this place, but if you think that you can just survive here simply by, you know, sweet-talking management and shaking your rump into, like, just... Oh, baby.
Bridget Deshiell, Chris McConnell, Jack Kenderson, two of our equities traders. Salesman, Freddy Sacker. You remember Miss Deshiell from the other day, of course.
It's nice to meet you.
Make nice, boys.
I want you guys to know that I'm thrilled to be working with you.
Mutual. The feeling is...
Do you two mind if I talk to Jack for a minute?
I mind.
No doubt you're wondering how a personal client services department is going to affect Beaumont Stevens. I am the first to acknowledge that my representation of individual investors may at times appear disharmonious with the firm's representation of institutional investors.
Translation, she doesn't give a rat's ass about our clients.
This is now the firm's business. I look forward to being a part of the team.
Welcome.
Right? Okay. Tomorrow, as you all know, is D-Day for the Green Plan and IPO, and it's all pops and buzzers to me, so...
Thank you. You should have a fact sheet in front of you for Green Planet. The company is essentially an incubator for environmentally safe technologies, their goal being to integrate innovation with preservation. We all know that the planet's been taking a beating. Green Planet is trying to do something to help. It is exactly the sort of business that the executive committee had in mind when they voted last quarter to aggressively support humanitarian companies.
Translation,
Sales should round
never
up
earned a
advance
dime.
orders today. So I'm hoping we can give it a big send-off.
So, how's your dancing?
Fine. How's your stubborn moral center?
Intact.
Okay, it's time to talk.
Oh?
You are the one who asked me to hang on to this. If there's any chance of us working this out, I think
Fine. Dinner.
I'll make a reservation.
Good.
Okay, then.
Okay. Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
It's Green Planet. No, that's Jolly Green Giant. You see, these guys, they're an incubator for environmentally safe technologies. What do you mean, they incubate? That's what they do. How else do I explain that? So what, you think tree huggers can't make a buck? Well, you know what? I got 2 words for you, pal. Ben and Jerry. How's that? Huh? That's right, Granola City. Ooh, I got a cleavage situation happening. I have to call you back.
The balance is off. Wood to glass, wood to metal.
You settling in all right?
We must compensate in order to achieve equilibrium.
Chu is helping me remedy the chi around here.
Terrific.
Are you familiar with the science of feng shui?
Please.
Well, it's no wonder we've had a bad quarter. The energy here is terrible. There's no flow.
Oh, well, I'm sure that's about to change.
原来是你这位秃头先生桌子边上的毒气，我们得赶紧把它清理干净，否则你的生意会受到影响。
Fred, would you mind terribly if Chu did some work on your desk? He's very effective.
My desk is your desk.
Oh, need water. Water absorb the poison chi.
That's great. Listen, Bridget, now that we're all on the same team and, feng shui and everything, how about putting some of your clients in our new Green Planet IPO?
No, thanks, sweetie.
Head of corporate finance, Carl Kettner? That's the one. What is Carl Kettner doing taking you to dinner?
I showed initiative.
Hey, Sherman.
If you seize the moment, take the first step, you end up getting noticed.
Hey, you think I could get a dinner at Divack?
Yeah, not a chance.
Hello? Anybody out there?
Boys, let's go to lunch. Oh, right, the market. Dinner?
Got plans.
Do you see that your stocks are not moving? The market is dead today. Am I right, Chris?
She's right.
Okay, we will grab some dogs out front. 10 minutes tops.
I'll cover your screens.
Thanks, Chris. 5 minutes.
Come on, you can't still be pissed off at me.
I will forever be pissed off at you.
Okay, well, if it makes any difference, I did not go into that bar with a master plan. It just sort of happened.
Oh, I see. Like, it was a spur-of-the-moment kind of thing. That guy over there looks like a sucker.
Don't take it personally, but all guys are suckers.
So you just got us all figured out, huh? We're just like little toy soldiers in your game. That's what you said, right? It's just a game to you?
The school teacher stuff, that was a game. But the other stuff, the fun stuff, that was real.
Yeah.
Industrial's just dipped a little.
Really? I've been watching Garbiras. It's soft, I'm a buyer.
It's down a quarter. The Veered EBJ, they're off a tick.
How much Garbiras can you get me?
I'm looking at a block right here.
Hey,
for
pick me up
75
20,000 shares of Garber.
Hold on. What are you doing?
Put it into the Ahern account.
Buy it. I'll be right up.
Great, thanks.
What the hell was that? You can't front-run me like that.
I don't see why not.
How about it's against firm policy? I'm only buying the stock because it dropped. Now you bought it ahead of me, it's going to push the price back up. You'll get a free ride at my expense.
I'm not sure which is sexier, The innocence or the anger? The free ride is not mine, it's my client's, our client's. He's gonna be thrilled, the firm will get its commission. You're the hero.
Thanks for lunch.
Reynolds to commodities desk. Reynolds.
Help me out with something.
Feel free to sit down.
Yeah, thanks. So, suppose someone lent you a book on blackjacks or craps or something, and you went to AC, and you won pretty big. How would you think?
Give up.
I'm asking you.
Oh no, buy him something.
Okay, but what if you don't know what he likes?
I don't know. Take him to dinner.
Perfect. Oh, by the way, those books you lent me, I traded to put option and triple my money, so dinner's on me. Lot 61, say 8 o'clock. See you then.
Hold on, Graham. Girl Scout cookies. Have you ever bought girls? Right, of course you bought them. Okay, so you buy your Thin Mints, right? They taste great, and you feel good because, you know, now the girls can go to cheerleader camp or whatever, right? See, this is the same thing, but this is better because now you buy, you know, your Green Planet chairs, you make money, and you feel good. You see what I'm saying? That's because they're environmental, Graham. That's the, yeah, I know, yeah, they're a risk. All right, you know what? You know, what is this?
Harden not your heart. Stone reminds you, stone is hard. Heart must be soft.
Yeah. Wax on, wax off.
Okay, I know you all had a frustrating day. In light of the sluggish demand for shares, Green Planet CEO Elliot Bando has agreed to price the shares at the bottom of the range, making the stock a bargain at $12 a share. We've had strong demand in the $12 range, so this should give us an initial bump upward once we go to market. To sustain the momentum, here's the plan. Work only with your most reliable clients, and no deal without a firm commitment to at least a 30-day hold. Here is Mr. Bando. He will answer any of your questions.
How are you?
Hello. How you doing?
Yes.
Yeah, what the hell do you do?
It's an elusive subject. But basically, Green Planet asks the question, how can progress be achieved in cooperation with nature rather than in conflict? Now, let's talk about specifics.
Listen, if you can guarantee me 5% of the outstanding shares, I think I can interest one of my clients.
We
usually spread the shares a little thinner than that.
What if?
It's just my clients only participate in IPOs when they have an opportunity to buy in size.
What if you could convert it
Well, let me talk to
to a
Divack.
safe, alternative energy source? Green Planet is developing this technology.
Hi, Alex. Hey.
Hi. Hey.
So how's it going?
Great. Everyone's been terrific.
Give them time.
The men here are so earnest. It's adorable.
They're a good group.
Yeah, nice to look at. Though they do seem a little soft.
Well, I wouldn't worry about that. The traders can be annoyingly harsh.
Jack Kenderson is a puppy dog. And a hell of a kisser.
Jack Kenderson?
Yeah. He picked me up in a bar last week. We ended up making out like banshees in the alley.
Really?
Anyway, feel free to make a move. Sort of over him. See you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like another one?
You can have that in a second, Jack.
All right.
How good would that be?
Pretty good.
Yep.
Right away.
I have an idea. How about you cancel on Alex? We sit here drinking until Chesty McBresty finishes her shift, and then we all go back to your place, and I want you to do the wild thing.
Another time?
Good call, buddy.
Okay.
Because I'm sure you'll have a lot more fun, you know, squirming your way through a 2-hour relationship talk with your ex-fiancée.
She is not my ex-fiancée. And we might be able to work it out.
Great. Yahoo, Jack.
I'm sort of excited about this, so you might want to back off a little.
All right, fine. All right, whatever. That's fine. Look,
she feels really terrible about everything, and she's trying very hard to make me see that. And I gotta tell you something, I'm starting to think that maybe I overreact.
Jack, are you out of your...
Hold on. I still love her. And if I didn't, I'd move on. And you know that. There's something between us that...
What?
I don't know, something that I haven't found with anyone else. It just works. You get me. You wouldn't have got married if you didn't feel the same thing.
Whoa, hey, you know what? Don't bring this on me, okay? I married Joanne because I was very, you know, horny, and she has a very intimidating father.
I've been reading about this place for months. David Boulay has really taken this city by storm.
My secretary made the reservation.
Oh, well, excellent choice on her part. So, what attracted you to corporate finance?
Mostly the money.
Wine tonight, gentlemen?
May I? I think we'll have the Camus Special Selection 94. If that's okay with you.
Absolutely.
Great.
Probably in an hour. The bar is pretty crowded. You might want to wait outside.
Excuse me, an hour? You want us to wait on the street? Hello? Is anyone home in there? What? This is ridiculous.
It's just a game. I'll take it.
No, hold on. Tonight's on me. How much does she want?
Forget it. I got it.
Don't mess with me, Chris. How much?
Not her. Guy over there, black suit. Look, just tell him your name, hand it to him like this.
Is this enough?
I don't know, how good table you want?
This was so delicious.
I'm the master of stir fry.
You are.
You know when the vegetables see me coming down the aisle, they actually shudder with excitement because they know we're going to be part of an extraordinary stir fry experience.
Is that right?
You know, they love the work.
I love your work.
So, what's the haps? Bar, movie, hot sex, hot sex, hot sex.
Scrabble?
Okay, yeah, I'm a Scrabble fiend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I wouldn't go around telling people that.
Yeah, good point. Okay, where is it?
It's in the closet. I'll clean up.
All right. Scrabble, Scrabble. Allison? Quick question.
Tickets are on the 18th.
Hey, you're not answering your cell phone? I almost took off.
Well, I almost didn't come.
What's up?
Did you even consider that I would have to work with her? Did you really think you could keep it a secret?
What?
Bridget, Jack, you know, our new colleague.
Look, I don't know who told you what, but...
She did. Do you have any idea how humiliating this is? Did you sleep with her?
No. We met in a bar. Fooled around a little bit, but that's all. I don't understand what the big deal is. We were taking time off, right?
What the hell does that mean to you, Jack? Because I thought it meant that you needed some time off to figure things out, not to be out on the town fooling around with random women in bars. No, I'm sorry. Excuse me if I don't feel like having dinner right now.
I mean, don't get me wrong. I do think there's something sort of noble about the sales and trading world. Billions of dollars moving around based on nothing more than a simple handshake.
Handshakes. I mean, crap. In corporate finance, we write everything down.
As you should.
You know how handshakes developed? They were meant to show that neither person was armed. So what you've got instead is this. Come here. My sword is bigger than your sword. You seen this new one they do now, where they punch each other's fists?
Right.
I mean, the aggression is not even masked anymore.
I disagree. I don't think the fist thing's about aggression. I mean, you don't even hit hard. Barely tapped, and you gotta admit, it's a lot better than this one, huh? The limp wrist. Exactly, dead fish.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was great.
$150 for 2 pieces of fish and a bottle of wine. It better been great. Not to mention the 20 to get the table. So quiet tonight.
I had a tough day. Tough month.
Yeah. You just turned around.
Don, I got $6.5 million in losses on my books. You don't just turn that around. You know, I made more money last year than my father made in his whole life. And still, every time I go home, he tells me it's not too late to go to college. Oh, maybe he's right.
Well, dads don't always know what they're talking about. All mine wants me to do is find a husband. I mean, I keep telling him, all I want to do is sales and trading, and I might as well be speaking Greek. Even if he did care, I wouldn't know how to explain it to him.
It's not that complicated. You just need somebody to walk you through it.
Yeah, sure, and I just need to answer phones and schedule appointments. Oh, don't feel sorry for me. I'm just saying, you know, there's not enough time in the day.
What about now?
Let's pick a place.
Madrid.
Check out Ibex Exchange.
Were you ever in Spain?
Cadiz, but I never got off the boat, so here we go.
I can't believe people trading now.
This is aftermarket trading in Telefonica, which is a digital wireless leader over there.
So it's trading at 68.
Closed today at 65, so this is it's probably some guy sitting on a large block trading to himself, you know, trying to paint a picture. You see, in the morning, somebody will think it's worth 68. This guy will know this block before they figure it out.
How can you tell all that?
I don't know. It's an old con. It's like, what was that guy's name? Driving his caddy down Bell Boulevard.
Joey T.
Joey T. Joey T. Always trying to make himself look like a big shot when we all knew the car spent most of the time in repo. This is the same game.
Hardly make rounds up here anymore. All night long, I'm here by myself. I can only be expected to change so many bedpans. Let me take care of it.
Ice cream?
Thanks. And thanks for paying. My pleasure. I had a surprisingly good time. Oh, me too. I mean, not the surprising part.
We should do this again.
Great. Great. I'd like that.
Okay. All right. Well, see you at work.
It was a successful meeting, substantive, interesting discussion, excellent food.
So do you think he wants you in corporate finance?
I'd say I stand a good shot.
Wow. You had dinner with Kettner?
Yeah. Yeah, and afterwards he kissed me. What?
Carl Kettner kissed Sherman.
Ooh, score.
I don't know what happened. I mean, we ate, we discussed business, handshakes. Suddenly the guy's kissing me.
Obviously, handshake is a gay code for sex. I mean, really, Sherman, you know, you spend all night priming the guy for hot monkey love. What do you expect?
I didn't prime him for anything. I mean, why would the guy think I'm gay?
How do you even know him?
We met in the elevator. I noticed we both had the same copy of some men's exercise magazine.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You might as well have been reading Playgirl. You look at the centerfolds.
All right, what do you wear?
I don't know, trousers, sweater, shoes.
T-shirt or button down under the sweater?
Nothing.
Well, of course he thinks you're gay.
I thought you were gay.
You did?
We all did, dude. I mean, come on, just look at the way you know, prance around here.
Great. Great.
What were you saying to Alex about us?
Oh, hello to you, too.
No, I'm serious. She's my fiancée.
Really? Yeah. Whoa, okay. Well, maybe you should have mentioned that, say, when you were nibbling on my ear?
It's complicated. We were taking time off.
You're one of those.
What does that mean?
So that's the scene overseas. Now it's launch day for Green Planet. Initial offering 20 million shares. Ticker symbol GPL. We're expecting a lull in the next couple of days in volume, which should make it harder to get the stocks out the door. But I'll leave that at the cap.
Well, the good news is the SEC deemed us effective 15 minutes ago. So start confirming orders when we break, and hopefully we'll get a pop right off the bell. I just want to reiterate, let's stick to buyers who will take the ride with us. We want to make money. We also want to show the street that companies can maintain an edge and still not be hard on the environment. Maybe we can start a trend. Maybe then we'll have done something we can all feel good about. Is there something you want to share with us?
Yeah, Mitchell's girlfriend did porn. So what, are we talking hardcore?
Pretty soft, actually.
Classy.
Yeah, girl on girl.
Hey now.
Very classy.
Yeah, we're almighty proud.
Hey, dude, I can get her on Howard.
I don't want her on Howard, okay? I don't want her on Howard. I just want a nice, normal, Xena freak stripper girlfriend. Thing. I don't know. I should get out, right? I think I should get out.
Maybe it was just a one-time thing.
Oh, yeah, she's forever memorialized on the shelves of video stores nationwide. You realize that? I mean, 10 guys right now are buttering their muffins to her.
Yeah, guy number 11, guy number 12.
So, Divack was on board. You're good for 1 million shares.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's really nice having a little more female energy around here, I have to say.
I'm sure.
Alex, hey. Hey. Hold on.
You know what, Jack? I don't want to hold on, okay? I am tired of fighting. I am tired of being mad and upset all day long and feeling like all of this is my fault. Because you know what, Jack? It isn't. Not everything. So, unless you're here to tell me that this time off period has come to an end and you're ready to get married, I have to get back to work.
I'll leave you alone.
Why don't you take this with you?
Beaumont Stevens. One moment, please.
Hey.
Hey.
Last night was fun.
Yeah, thanks for the world tour.
Oh, thank you for dinner.
You're welcome.
We should do it again.
Beaumont Stevens.
Listen, do you have a copy of your trading portfolio with you?
Sure. Why?
I told Divack you've been doing pretty well in the market and he wants to meet with you.
Oh my God, Chris.
Just bring the portfolio.
Okay, let's go. Hanson Funds and Green Planet buyer up to 14.
Can I ask you something? Why do you go to work? Because you don't buy, you don't sell. You know, you should do yourself a favor and stay in bed. Because guess what? I'd rather talk to your secretary because at least she's got a pair.
No, I talked to your accountant yesterday. He agreed those commissions would be waived. Fine. Yeah, I'll look into it. Oh, I put you into an IPO that just went to market. Green something?
I've been focusing mostly on growth, as you can see, but I try to balance it out. My picks in the energy sector have been particularly successful. I plan to move some of those profits into tech where I'm a little light right now.
Donna, would you make a copy of these for me, please?
Of course. Is there a problem?
Just make a copy.
Tim Sherman, how you doing?
Okay.
Hey, Tim.
Carl.
Come on by and find me later, okay?
Right.
I'm sorry. Did you two want privacy? You know, if I were you, I would break it to him quickly because, you know, it's really, really not right of you to lead him on like this. Well, then again, maybe you should reconsider.
There's nothing for me to reconsider. I'm not gay.
Look, no one is saying that you have to share a cell with him at Oz, okay? Maybe just, you know, a quick visit to the hole.
We're in pretty good shape. Demand is steady. Hasn't dipped for a while.
Hopefully 15 will be the new baseline. Probably could have priced this at the top of the range after all.
Maybe not. You stirred the pot a little bit. I think you called it right.
Thank you. This IPO is hovering in the 15s. I think it's flat. You're up about 3 million? It might, it's hard to say. All right. Jack selling 1 million Green Planet at market. What? I'm sorry, Catherine. I thought my client would stick around, but he wants out. Well, it's too bad. I don't think so.
Wait a minute. You assured me that this would not happen.
It won't, because I was perfectly clear that no one is flipping this thing for a quick buck. The whole point of this IPO is to support this company. I hear you, but my client doesn't see it that way. Sell the stock? No! Bridget, you can't do this! Jack, sell the damn stock.
You want to bust this IPO? You place that trade at another firm.
Exactly.
Jack, sell the stock.
Ginger.
Yeah, Jack.
I got to unload 1 million GPL.
Elliot, I'm so sorry.
This place sucks.
In another blow to environmentally friendly stocks, new issue Green Planet's impressive debut reversed course minutes before closing in the wake of a large-scale sell-off.
Hey, you got a second?
Priorities, Kenderson. I'm sorry. You start.
Well, I just want to know what happened out there before. I mean, why'd you okay that sale?
Our friend Bridgette has a client named Victor Sinico. He owns a software company which he's planning on selling within the year, hopefully through Beaumont Stevens. It was Mr. Sinico who owned the Green Planet shares, who then sold the Green Planet shares. Are we clear?
What I'm hearing is that in order to chase after a piece of business that may or may not come our way, you're willing to knock the wind out of our own IPO and undermine Catherine in front of her team. Because if that's what you're saying, then yeah, we're clear.
You're too close to it all. From where I sit, you can see the big picture. You will yourself someday.
Beaumont Stevens. One moment, please.
Okay.
Beaumont Stevens. Hold on while I'll check that line. Hold on.
Wasn't me. I swear.
Having something connected with that, let's get rid of it. Come on in. Just give me a minute.
Sure.
Grab a seat. How was your day?
Good. I'm not gay.
Excuse me?
I'm not a homosexual.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm quite certain.
The flirting, the wine, the sweater.
Look, Carl, I was eager to meet you about the department, and I apologize sincerely for any confusion, but I assure you, I'm a straight man. I like the ladies.
Well, in any event, I wanted to apologize to you. In light of our both working here at the firm, that kiss was probably not too well considered. And in regard to this department, at the appropriate time, I'll make sure you're given full consideration.
Thanks. Well, okay then.
Oh, and Tim, if you're not interested in me, that's fine. But don't tell me. I mean, you're not gay.
What do you want? We got worked, okay? It happens. That's very nice, thank you. Very nice. Thank you very much for the vote of confidence, you freaking moron.
No big deal. You backed it up to your mainframe, right?
Calm me down. No, it's not working.
Reception, this is Donna.
Donna, could I see you in my office?
Kelly, you have a client in the lobby.
Looks like we do have a problem after all. Cheryl Dyer, Jesse Berg, in-house counsel for the firm.
Donna, you've done several trades over the past few months that are on the firm's restricted list. Thank you. Kellner Bain, Osgood, Ivy Jean.
Oh, Beaumont took them public. Everyone on the floor traded those one time or another.
Not in their personal accounts. Doing so violates SEC regulations.
Donna, did you tell anyone outside the firm about these trades?
Just my stock club.
Keep an eye on any aftermarket news.
Now.
So? I can't talk to you.
What's up?
I'm under investigation and I'm not allowed to talk to you.
Wait, Donna.
What you're doing with all of this?
Oh, keep an eye on her.
Yes, indeed. Thank you for coming. Good to see you again. What is going on? You didn't tell me that she was trading restricted stuff.
I didn't know that she was.
And what about the firm's policy against dating support personnel? Did you know about that?
We're just friends.
Well, Perkins lost a $30 million sexual harassment suit last year. Steer clear of her until all of this is resolved.
Tom.
Look, you're already on thin ice. Don't make it any worse.
Leaving already? Screw your colleague and call it a day.
Catherine, why are you taking this personally?
How should I take it? When I gave you those shares, I did you a favor.
Well, if that's your attitude, then don't do me any more favors.
We were trying to do something good. We were trying to make a statement. And in order to do that, we had to succeed. Do you think that another progressive company is going to give us their business now?
I couldn't care less. I don't know what you think your job is here, but I'm clear on mine. I am here to make money. For the firm, for my clients, for myself, I did that today. Your angelic company will survive. Today was a blip on the radar. If they are any good, the market will find them. So go ahead and blame me for raining on your little charity parade if it makes you feel better. But don't judge me. I do my charity work on my own time. You should give it a try. Go plant a tree or something.
I have planted trees.
I think I got her good on that one.
Yeah, she's definitely hurting.
Yeah.
Actually, first, what you want to do is you want to brown the chicken very lightly.
Oh, I see. Okay, do that by...
Hey!
Hey.
Oh, surprise, surprise. Hi.
How you doing? I was just passing by, so I stopped by.
Well, I'm so glad.
Here we go. It's dangerous. Listen, God, this is hard. I think we should break up.
Fine.
Fine? Just fine, or that's it?
Well, look, if it's over, it's over. I mean, to be honest, if one thing I did years before I met you is going to change your whole opinion of me.
It's not the porn thing. I mean, it is, but it's not. It's me. You know, I'm not cut out to date a porn star. You know, it's.
I'm not a porn star.
Well, you could be. It's not that ridiculous. You're very voluptuous. Look, I really like you.
And I really like you.
I mean, this is amazing. I mean, this whole thing has been amazing. The sad reality is, you know, at the end of the day, I'm just like everybody else, you know? I'm just a regular, boring, superficial, judgmental guy. And I have this image, you know, of how my life plays out, you know, and in this ideal image, there aren't 6 copies of Shior in the closet.
So leave. Do you think that my image is so different from yours? I mean, do you think because I've done a couple of crazy things in my life that I don't want a family and a loving marriage? I got news for you, pal. I'm gonna be one hell of a housewife someday. You know, I'm gonna live up there in Greenwich, right around the block from you, and I'm gonna cook and clean and drive carpool. Then, night after night, when the kiddies have gone to bed, I'm gonna give my man the ride of his life. And he's gonna be thanking his lucky stars that he married me, the kinky housewife. And not some sorority girl that his mom picked out for him.